Hey guys, Corey with Camel ADV. Just going to do a follow-up video here for the KYB SSS fork swap on the Africa Twin. Have had them in for about a month now. I've got a few rides in, and they're everything that I hoped they would be. Compared to the stock bike is just night and day difference, and it's absolutely incredible. Have come out and run the bike hard, and just very happy with the results. So we've got the overlength Nitron shock in here. So it's high and low speed compression, rebound of course, and we had to get rid of the adjustable length in order to get the right overall length and the right amount of travel that I wanted, which was 30 mil more wheel travel. And they have to 30 mil more wheel travel. There's about a 3-to-1 ratio with the swing arm and the linkage and everything else. So to get the 3-to-1 and 30 mil travel, we needed a shock that had a 10 mil longer stroke. So unfortunately, you can't just put in a 10 mil longer shaft because the body's not long enough. So if you do a 10 mil longer body and a 10 mil longer shaft, then you're 20 mil longer, which is 60 mil at the seat, like 2 inches instead of an inch, which throws the geometry way out. So we went 10 mil longer on the shaft, 10 mil longer on the body, and then getting rid of the adjustable clevis on the bottom, we were able to subtract 10. So 10 plus 10 minus 10 is 10. So that all worked out good. Some tweaking and valving we need to do on the shock. It's not quite valved stiff enough for me, almost 300 pounds in gear. So when you go out and ride hard, it's asking a lot of all of the suspension components, and the shock is just a little bit light. So I'm gonna send that off to get that revalved. 22 Celsius today. End of October. There aren't going to be many more days like this, if any. Forecast, we've got snow next week, and then once that happens, the riding will be done for the season locally anyway. Try and get some trips down into Baja and California over the winter to get my riding fix, and I'll do some update videos once we get the suspension or the rear shock revalved, and kind of do some ongoing stuff. If you ride hard and want an awesome suspension setup, definitely give the KYB SSS forks a look. Thanks for watching.